What's up guys, this is Jigs Crypto and welcome to my channel. All of the links for the news are in the description below if you want to check it out. Also, make sure to like the video to help the channel. It also helps people discover our videos in this channel. Now, let's take a look at our daily crypto news. Alright, first up we have from businessmirror.com.ph. This is good news. Moneybees and Tambunting Inc. deal in crypto trading. So, Virtual Asset Service Provider or BAS Moneybees Forex Corporation recently announced a partnership with Tambunting Pawn Shop Incorporated to make cryptocurrency exchange buy and sell services available in select pawn shops, of the latter in the country's capital. In a statement issued on August 16, Moneybees said Tambunting is now one of their partner over-the-counter outlets to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So little by little, we're getting news. Um, uh, there's over-the-counter um, outlets out there that are offering for buy and sell of crypto. So this is a good advancement here in the Philippines. So, well, I think we'll be having more news regarding this kind of stuff in the future. Continuing with the article here, according to Moneybees, the partnership allowed for the activation of crypto exchange services at 10 selected Tambunting branches across Metro Manila. The firm added the partnership will enable customers to buy or cash out crypto from any wallets, such as MetaMask, Binance, and PDAX, and Trust Wallet, among others. Or there's still some more. So, not sure if CoinsPH is also included in this one, but yeah, knowing PDAX is a local Philippine exchange um, application here in the Philippines. Transaction limits are up to 5 million in one day. So there's a limit of 5 million in a day. Tambunting branches that carry the crypto exchange service provider include those in Pituason, Santa Ana, Hilpuyat Avenue, Makati City, MacArthur, Cubao, Retiro, Marimar, Parañaque City, Cacarong, Makati City, Guadamol, Junction, Rizal, and Sucat. So those are the branches where you can exchange crypto using Tambunting. So lastly, Moneybees is a duly registered with Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So it's good that Moneybees is registered with BSP and with the Anti-Money Laundering Council or AMLC as a BAS. So that's good also. The firm offers the first cryptocurrency over-the-counter service in the Philippines. Established in 2017, it aims to make exchange between fiat and virtual currencies more accessible to many. So that's good. People who doesn't have access um, in more access in internet here in the Philippines will be able to do that using Tambunting, right? Crypto lender Holdnaut applies for creditor protection in Singapore. All right. This is coming from Coindesk.com. Not sure if I mentioned, so our previous news is coming from businessmirror.com.ph. Next is from Coindesk.com. So again, crypto lender Holdnaut applies for creditor protection in Singapore. According to an announcement on Holdnaut's website, the application was filed on August 13, 5 days after the company froze withdrawals. The application will temporarily safeguard the lender from any legal claims. All right. So yeah, we had this news in the previous one that we covered before that Holdnaut froze their withdrawals. In a statement issued on August 16, sorry, this is from the previous news. Sorry about this. So Holdnaut's the latest in the long line of crypto companies that have been stung by the recent market downturn. Singapore-based exchange SIPMEX received creditor protection on Monday, while trading the firm Three Arrows Capital owes billions of dollars up to creditors after imploding in June due to leverage. Holdnaut hopes that being put under judicial management will allow it to devise a recovery plan to avoid liquidating customer assets. We are aiming to avoid, as quoted, a forced liquidation of our assets to it, as it is a suboptimal solution that will require us to sell our users cryptocurrencies as these current depressed assets prices. So the statement read. And the entire process is expected to take a few months, and Holdnaut will provide a further update on August 19. So we'll see more news on August 19 regarding this. Next is this coming from analyticsinsight.net. Crypto giant Gnox confirms huge demand of Cardano and Dogecoin holders after ICO sellout. So recently, Gnox has confirmed that there is a huge demand for Cardano and Dogecoin holders after its ICO sellout. The DeFi project was able to sell all of its tokens in just a few hours. Wow! And this is a huge success for the company. I'll research some more regarding Gnox, and we'll share it to you guys. This is not only big news for the team at Gnox, but is also a huge win for the cryptocurrencies that they currently support. For instance, Cardano, which is currently the 8th largest cryptocurrency in the market, has a huge following in Japan, which is one of the biggest markets in Asia. The same can be said for Dogecoin, which also has a huge following in the country. And Cardano and Dogecoin holders have been eagerly awaiting for the launch of Gnox, a new DeFi platform that promises to bridge the gap between traditional and crypto investments, right? So ADA and Dodge holders are optimistic that Gnox prices will continue to rise in the future. This is because Gnox projects have strong fundamentals and are backed by a growing community of supporters. So combining ADA and Dodge supporters, that is a huge number of people. So with Gnox prices reaching a new all-time highs, it is likely that more and more investors will start looking into alternative cryptocurrencies like ADA and Dodge. So lastly, Gnox is a long-term cryptocurrency investment that believes in set it and forget it. By purchasing and holding Gnox tokens, investors can gain exposure to a diverse basket of cryptocurrencies and passive income opportunities. Right? We'll have more news probably on Gnox in the future. Next, in our news here, this is coming from QZ.com. Crypto is failing, but crypto domain name sales are spiking. So yeah. I think this is I'm not sure if this is the same with, there are people like buying and selling domains, way back like probably 10 years or 20 years ago. So they're buying, domains, and hopefully that someone will be needing that domain and they will sell it in a higher price. Like for example, if I buy a domain back then, like for $1, $10, and someone wants to buy it to me, I can sell it like, 5x or 10x or even 100x in the current price right now. So yeah, going with the article. Recent, sorry, this is another error in myself. So sorry about this. There's a crypto land grab afoot, but this time it doesn't involve pricey JPEGs of simian lowlifes. Shiba Inu themed meme coins or virtual real estate in the metaverse. This is a speculative boom. In a sense, something internet entrepreneurs have been doing for decades. So buying up a domain names to make a buck. This kind of domain name doesn't end in .com or .org, but in .it. So yeah, as I said earlier, so buy and sell, administered by the Ethereum Name Service or ENS. That it domain serves as a public profile to showcase an individual's transactions and holdings on the Ethereum blockchain. If you've been on Twitter, you've probably seen them on crypto-focused users' profiles. All right. ENS registrations have been rising since the service began in 2017. So this has been around since 2017, but have surged in 2022. In July, the ENS reported a record numbers 378,804 that it domain names were registered. Wow! 25,000 names were renewed, and it made about 3.9 million in net income. Oh, that is big, right? In the last 30 days, ENS was the ninth most popular Ethereum-based NFT collection on OpenSea, the largest peer-to-peer NFT market, having processed about 9.5 million in trading volume during the time. ENS sells individual domains and, as all NFT creators, receives a cut of secondary sales on platforms like OpenSea. Wow! So that's how they make, um, you know, uh, extra income. Having receives a cut on secondary sales. So there's a, how do you call it? Creators um, fee, something like that. Comment down below if what's the correct term for it. All right. Sorry for the last two articles having misput of sentences into it. I'll be much better doing it moving forward. Next is coming from Coindesk.com. Crypto exchange Coinify obtains regulatory approval to operate in Italy. Wow. So, currency exchange Coinify has gained regular approval to operate in Italy according to the Italian financial regulators website. So, the Danish digital asset brokerage, currently licensed to operate in over 180 countries, wow, and territories, will offer its crypto trading and payment services in Italy after registering with the Organismo Agenti Immediatori or OAM. That's a cool name, huh? On August 12th. So, Organismo Agenti Immediatori. Wow. Italy has been significantly increasing its roster of crypto firms licensed to operate within the country. Just last month, Crypto.com, BitGo, and Bitstamp all registered with OAM to offer their products and services in the country. Crypto exchanges Binance, Kraken, and Bitpanda and brokerage Trade Republic have also registered recently. Oh, there's a lot of registration happening in July for crypto. Last August, crypto lender Voyager Digital acquired Coinify in an 84 million sale in stocks and cash to bolster its crypto payment services. This past July, Voyager filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy amid the crypto credit crisis. So I'm not sure how this works. So they filed for bankruptcy, but they still can acquire other companies. So I'm not sure how it works. Comment down below if you guys know how it works. All right, let's go in the next news. Still coming from Coindesk.com. Argentina Ethereum conference highlights crypto's growing reach in the country. So there's a lot of news from other countries, right? Previously it was Italy and now Argentina. So last Thursday, while the Argentine government was announcing that July inflation had reached a whopping 7.4%, the highest monthly rate in 20 years, thousands of locals were walking into the convention center in Buenos Aires for the start of Eat Laitam. Um, so robust attendance at the event made sense in Buenos Aires. Ethereum Foundation Executive Director Aya Miyaguchi noted during the opening keynote on Thursday that the city has generated one of the world's strongest Ethereum communities. Wow. So I'm a big Ethereum follower and fan. So it's nice to see that Argentina is the strongest Ethereum community Maybe they can also adopt me. I can go to your country if you want to me to be a speaker there. So it later marked Argentina's first mainstream international crypto event since the crypto boom started in the South American country in 2019. Argentina has welcomed millions of new users to the crypto segment since then, becoming one of the world's top 10 current countries for crypto adoption. Crypto has beaten the traditional stock market in Argentina. Oh, all right. According to Argentina Security Exchange, Caja de Valores, Casa. Yeah, I think it's pronounced as Casa, so comment down below if it's right, Caja or Casa, Casa de Valores. Argentinians had opened 575,000 accounts with brokerage houses as of the first quarter of 2022. The local exchange Lemon alone has more than 1.3 million users. That's a lot. And lastly, Eat Latam featured the first generation of crypto Argentinian entrepreneurs who have become global players in their segments. So, such as Decentraland, which is building metaverse on the Ethereum blockchain, and the decentralized finance DeFi audit firm OpenCephalon. All right, and the Bitcoin wallet startup Moon also appears among the outstanding cases. All right. Next article still come from Coindesk.com. Um, Crypto custody firm BitGo to sue Galaxy Digital for abandoning 1.2 billion merger agreement. So, as we highlighted from the article, cryptocurrency custody company BitGo said Monday it plans to sue Galaxy Digital for backing out of the firm's 1.2 billion merger agreement. So, BitGo, which is one of the biggest custodians in the crypto industry, said it will seek 100 million in damages from Galaxy. In a press release, it said Galaxy is refusing to pay this previously promised breakup fee. All right, so there's a fee. So probably there's a contract stating that if you back out, you need to be able to pay 100 million in damages, right? So I'm not sure. Probably there's a part in the contract stating that. Continuing, as quoted here, the attempt by Mike the Bagrats and Galaxy Digital to blame the termination on BitGo is absurd, said by R. Brian Timmons, a partner with Queen Emmanuel. The law firm BitGo has retained. So, Novogratz is Galaxy's CEO. Alright. In the press release, Timmons pointed to Galaxy's recent losses, which he said ranged in the thousands of millions of dollars. Right? More quote here, either Galaxy owes Bitcoin 100 million termination fee as promised, or it has been acting in bad faith and faces damages of that much or more, Timon said. All right. A spokesperson for Galaxy told Coindesk that the company believes BitGo's claims are without merit and we will defend ourselves vigorously. As previously stated, BitGo did not provide certain BitGo financial statements needed by Galaxy for its SEC filing. Galaxy's board of directors then made the decision to exercise its contractual right to terminate. Right? Let's see if there's gonna be more news regarding this in the future. If the suing of BitGo to Galaxy Digital will commence, or Digital Galaxy will give 100 million to BitGo. We'll know. Well, I think that's it. So don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with the latest videos. And this is Jigs Crypto signing out.